Hello, and welcome to Bold Speak English. I'm really happy you're here today. If you want to speak English more naturally, if you want English to feel easy, and if you want to stop translating in your head, you're in the right place. Today's lesson is called 30 English Phrases for Daily Conversation. These are real phrases, not textbook English, not difficult grammar. This is the kind of English people use every single day, at home, at work, with friends, and with strangers. And this lesson is not just for listening. This is a speaking practice lesson. You will listen, pause, repeat, and speak out loud with confidence. So, before we start, let me say one important thing. Backhand index pointing right, please speak out loud. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, even if you feel shy. Fluency comes from using your voice, not from silence. All right, let's begin. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's start speaking English together. Here's how this practice works. I will say a phrase, then I'll pause. That's your time to repeat. Say it slowly. Say it clearly. Say it confidently. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. Ready? Let's go. Phrase 1. How's it going? This is a very common way to ask someone how they are. Native speakers use this all the time. Listen first. How's it going? Now you repeat. Good. You can use this with friends, colleagues, people you meet casually. It sounds friendly and natural. Phrase 2. I'm just heading out. This means you are leaving now. Listen. I'm just heading out. Now repeat. Great. You might say this at home, at work, or on the phone. Simple. Natural. Phrase 3. That sounds good. We use this when we agree with something. Listen. That sounds good. Repeat. Nice. You can also say, that sounds great. That sounds nice. But that sounds good is perfect for daily conversation. Phrase 4. Give me a second. This means you need a short moment. Listen. Give me a second. Repeat. Very natural English. You'll hear this everywhere. Frasinco, no worries. This means, it's okay. No problem. Listen. No worries. Repeat. Excellent. This phrase is very common in the UK, Canada, and the USA. Phrase 6. Let me check. Listen. Let me check. Repeat. You use this when you want to confirm information. Phrase 7. I'll get back to you. Listen. I'll get back to you. Repeat. This means you will reply later. Very useful for emails, calls, and conversations. Phrase 8. That makes sense. Listen. That makes sense. Repeat. Phrase 11. What have you been up to? Listen. What have you been up to? Repeat. This is a friendly way to ask about someone's life. Phrase 12. That's interesting. Listen. That's interesting. Repeat. You can use this to show interest, even if you're not sure what to say next. Phrase 13. I'm not sure yet. Listen. I'm not sure yet. Repeat. Simple. Honest. Natural. Phrase 14. Let's see. Listen. Let's see. Repeat. People use this before thinking or deciding. Phrase 15. It depends. Listen. It depends. Repeat. Very common English phrase. Phrase 16. I didn't catch that. This means you didn't hear or understand. Listen. I didn't catch that. Repeat. Very polite and natural. Phrase 17. Can you say that again? Listen. Can you say that again? Repeat. perfect for real conversations. Phrase 18. I'm just looking. Listen. I'm just looking.
Repeat.
You'll use this in shops or online. Phrase 19. That works for me. Listen. That works for me.
Repeat.
This shows agreement. Phrase 20. I'll think about it. Listen. I'll think about it.
Repeat.
Calm and natural. Phrase 21. I'm getting better. Listen. I'm getting better.
Repeat.
Yes, you are. Phrase 22. I'm still learning. Listen. I'm still learning.
Repeat.
This is a confident sentence. Phrase 23. Let me explain. Listen. Let me explain.
Repeat.
Clear and polite. Phrase 24. That's a good question. Listen. That's a good question.
Repeat.
You'll hear this often. Phrase 25. I see what you mean. Listen. I see what you mean.
Repeat.
Natural understanding phrase. Phrase 26. I appreciate it. Listen. I appreciate it.
Repeat.
Polite and strong. Phrase 27. That helps a lot. Listen. That helps a lot.
Repeat.
Great phrase. Phrase 28. Sounds like a plan. Listen. Sounds like a plan.
Repeat.
Very natural spoken English. Phrase 29. I'll keep that in mind. Listen. I'll keep that in mind.
Repeat.
Nice and professional. Phrase 30. Talk to you soon. Listen. Talk to you soon.
Repeat.
Perfect ending phrase. Great job. You didn't just listen today. You spoke. And that matters. Every time you speak English out loud, your confidence grows, your pronunciation improves, and your fluency becomes more natural. Remember this. Backhand index pointing right, you don't need perfect English. Backhand index pointing right, you need daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day can change how you speak English. So come back to this lesson. Repeat it again tomorrow. Speak louder next time. Feel more confident each time. If this practice helped you, please gently support the channel. Thumbs up like the video. Envelope with arrow subscribe to Bold Speak English. Speech balloon and comment below. Which phrase was your favorite today? Your English journey is not finished. It's just getting started. Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson. Right here on Bold Speak English.